Hi, today I will show you how to install Netflix on your laptop or Mac, as well as how to permanently download Netflix movies on your computer and watch them offline. So let's get started. You can't download the Netflix on Mac because the official app is not available on the Apple Store. But I'll teach you a cool solution. Go to the Netflix homepage. Click the URL of the page, drag it to the desktop, and create a browser shortcut. Right-click the Netflix shortcut and select Get Info. Then drag the Netflix icon you saved to the upper left corner. You can also rename the shortcut to Netflix so that you can click directly to enter Netflix. If you are using Windows, you need to go to the Microsoft Store, search for Netflix, and click Get. Then we will get a separate client, so here you just need to log in as usual, and you can use Netflix normally. But after installing the Netflix on your laptop, you may have noticed that there is no download button on Netflix because Netflix has stopped supporting movie downloads on laptops. So if you want to download Netflix movies or TV shows and watch them offline, then just keep watching, and I will show you how to do. 1. Download Keeprix Video Downloader, then launch it and choose Netflix from the options. Also, you can directly paste a link to a specific movie or show in the search box to search for it. 2. Log into your Netflix account. Your credentials will be used exclusively to access video content and will be secure. 3. Paste the link of the movie or show you want to download and click the download icon. 4. Select your preferred video quality, language for audio, type of subtitle, and directory to output. Then click on the download button. 5. Wait for the downloading completed. Now you can view your downloaded complete videos in the download list. Click the folder icon on the right to view the video location and play it. And here is why you should choose Keeprix. You can use it to download from various streaming platforms, including Netflix, Hulu, and HBO Max. There is no time restrictions, ad interruptions, or region-based limitations. It can save videos in high-quality formats like MP4 and MKV for playback on any device. Quick download speeds with no lag or delays. That's it. Keeprix is definitely the best video downloader for Netflix, perfect for viewers who want to watch Netflix offline on the laptop. If this video was helpful to you, please like it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.